guys.
Wow.
One of my orders. I really love it.
Wow!
Pack na pack, guys. Ayan. Challenge accepted, guys. I really love red color. The black color,
Wow!
guys. Ayan. I really love it. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ang lakas makaganda. Charan! Pack na pack yan siya, guys. Diba? I really love it. Sa murang halaga lang yan, guys. Pack na pack. Guys, ayan, the green color. Ayan, I really love it. I really love it, guys. Yung kanyang dekod. Pack na pack. Ayan, guys. I really love it. Ayan, guys, sa murang halaga lang. Only 250 pesos. And the last but not the least, guys.
Wow.
Ayan. Ang ganda ng color niya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Alam niyo, guys, yung 4 colors. Ayan, for only 250 pesos lang. I really love it. Ayan, guys. Oh. Pack na pack. Ayan. Ayan. Challenge accepted, guys. Okay. See that? Ayan. I really love it, guys. Ayan. Pack na pack. Look, guys, I wanna fit this. Ayan. A new dress of mine, guys. Ayan. Pack na pack naman talaga to siya, guys. Yung ating blue color. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda. Pack na pack. Ayan. Susukat na natin siya, guys. I really love it. Ayan. Ito yung bagong dumating na dress natin ngayon, guys. Ayan, guys, look, eto na. Pack na pack yung aking new dress. Ayan. I really love it. I really love it, guys. Ayan, oh. Ang lakas makaganda. Pack, pack, pack. Ayan, guys. I really love it. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda, guys. Pack na pack. I really love it, guys. Ayan, oh. Pack na pack. For only 200 pesos. I really love it.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Look,
Wow.
guys, flexing my new bikinis and my stockings, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda naman talaga nito, guys. Ang lakas makaganda nito, guys. Ang lakas makakabog nito. Ayan, guys. I really love it. Ayan, guys. Nakikita nyo ba yan, guys? Ayan. Talaga namang pack na pack yan.
Wow!
Ayan po. Feeling model na naman ako, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ating stockings. Ayan, bikini stockings, guys. Ayan, oh. I really love it. Pack na pack. Look, guys. Ito naman yung kanyang red color. Ayan. Ay siya maroon color siya, guys. Ayan, ang ganda naman talaga nito. Ang lakas makaganda nito, guys. Pack na pack naman talaga to. Ayan, oh. I really love it.
Wow.
Ayan. Feeling model na naman ako, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan po, na-amaze talaga ako, guys. Ayan, oh. Sobrang ganda niya. Ayan. Pack na pack yan. Ayan, guys. Oh, I really love it. Ayan. Sa murang halaga lang, guys. Ayan, may fashion na naman ako. Ayan, oh. Pack na pack yan. Ayan, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan, feeling model na naman ako, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya, guys. Pack na pack yan. I really love it. O, diba, guys? Ang ganda niya. Love it.